Wow, what a break. We're going to go through a final review here. We're going to go through just the hits, and we're going to go box by box. First, let's look at Denny Hamlin Cup Chase Contest card in box 1. How about a Richard Petty Power Pick card, 35 of 99. Okay, don't focus. 35 of 99. There it goes. There it is. Richard Petty, 35 of 99. Got a little damage there at the bottom. Looked like a little chipping on the bottom. Richard Petty. How about a 10 of 35 Pit Crew card? Carl Edwards. Blue. 1035. Burning Rubber, Brad Keselowski, 75 of 199. 75 of 199, Brad Keselowski. Burning Rubber. Jimmy Johnson, 98 of 199, Burning Rubber card. Box 1. And the monster hit of Box 1. How about a Mark Martin autograph? Yeah, you see that number right. 1 of 1. Mark Martin. Autograph. Unbelievable. Unbelievable hit for box 1. Alright, box 2. Box 2. Jeff Gordon Cup Chase Contest card. Box 2. But a Danica Patrick Power Pick card, 7 of 99. That was her nationwide number last year, number 7. 7 of 99 for Danica Patrick. How about a Martin Truex Jr., 10 of 35, blue. 10 of 35. Burning Rubber, Tony Stewart, 95 of 199. Daytona, the July race in Daytona, 95 of 199. Check out the threads in that card. Tony Stewart. And a Denny Hamlin, 39 of 199. Burning Rubber from the Atlanta race in September. Got some grain in that tire. Nice hit for Denny Hamlin. And that's box number 2. Box number 3 was a monster box. A monster box. Okay. Lot of hits in this box. Start out with a Cup Chase Contest card for Jimmy Johnson. That is the first hit for box number 3. Then a Jimmy Johnson Power Pick card. 38 of 50. 38 of 50 for Jimmy Johnson. And it gets better in box 3. How about a Matt Kenseth blue, 4 of 35. 4 of 35 for Matt Kenseth. And then a 3 of 5 yellow Ron Hornaday Jr. 3 of 5 for Ron Hornaday Jr. And outdo that one even, a Matt Kenseth, 1 of 5. Matt Kenseth, 1 of 5, yellow. Same box, box number 3 tonight. Matt Kenseth, 1 of 5, yellow. How about a Burning Rubber Matt Kenseth? 87 of 199. 87 of 199 from the Daytona 500. Burning Rubber, check that out. Matt Kenseth, Burning Rubber. Denny Hamlin from the August race at Bristol. 53 of 75. 53 of 75, Denny Hamlin. Burning Rubber. And the hit of this box, probably the 4-box break other than the Mark Martin 1 of 1. How about a Ty Dillon 1/1 printing plate, autographed. Ty Dillon. He's an up-and-comer. Congratulations. Ty Dillon, 1/1 printing plate. Ty Dillon printing plate. And that was box number 3. Alright, box number 4. Another sweet box. Not as many hits as box 3, but still a nice box. Start out with a Power Pick card of Matt Kenseth. 19/50. Hard to see that, the gold on the yellow background, but it's 19/50, Matt Kenseth. And a Kyle Busch hot seat, 9/35, blue. 9/35, blue. Kyle Busch hot seat card. What a burning rubber, Kyle Busch. Another Kyle Busch hit in this box, 158/199. In the April race in Richmond, 158/199. Some striations in that tire. Kyle Busch. Oh, we had a Matt Kenseth Cup Chase Contest card, also in that box. How about this? Burning rubber, 21/50 from the Brickyard, the July race, Indianapolis Motor Speedway, 21/50, Jimmy Johnson. Check out this tire. They say it's from the D in Goodyear. D in Goodyear. 3-color tire. Nice piece of rubber in that card for the burning rubber, Jimmy Johnson. 21/50. And the auto. We had another auto in this box. How about a Jeff Gordon? That's right, Jeff Gordon. 5/5 for Jeff Gordon. He's even got his little hologram he autographed over. You can see the hologram there. Jeff Gordon autograph. 5/5. And that concludes our review of the 4-box break on a NASCAR Saturday night. Thanks for joining us. Bye-bye.